Hello everyone, my name is Musa from Daytona, Japan, and today I'm going to introduce mirror hole plug bolts. So for them we have two different designs. Both of them are M10 pitch 1.25 bolts. And so let's go check the designs. The first one here is the hex one. You can tighten them with an Allen key, and it has a tapered round shape. And this design has 7 different color options, really colorful. This one right here is the blue, red, green, golden, black, gunmetal, and silver. Really nice colors. They look great on handlebars. And for the next design we have right here the coin one. We call this one coin. I will explain later why we call this coin. This has a round shape with knurling around it, so you can tighten them with your hand as well, and really easy to use. For this one we have 4 different colors. The first color is black, gunmetal, red, and orange. Really nice colors, and they look great on handlebars, as I said before. So these bolts are very important. I will talk about why these bolts are important on this bike. As you can see right here, we have a Yamaha dirt bike here. So when you have like a handlebar clamp mirror or bar end mirror on your bike, you have these mirror holes empty. So the water, the dust can go inside, they can damage your threads, and you cannot use your OEM mirrors again. So that's why protecting these threads are really important. Also, as you can see, it's not a good look, but with a bolt like this, you can easily protect your handlebar mirror hole, just like this, and then you can protect, and it looks great on the handlebar. This design, as I said, it's called coin. You can use a coin with this design. Right now I have just 1 cent. You can use €1, €2. It's up to you to tighten them. As you can see, it locked great, looks great on the handlebar. It completes the look, and it protects your mirror hole thread. As I said, they look great, and they protect your bike. So these are really nice additions to your motorcycle. And so for, as I said, these are right hand screw and left hand screw ones. So right now, this one I used here is right hand screw. For Yamahas, we also have left hand screw one as well, if you want to install on the left side as well. These are sold each for a set. You need to buy 2. And if you have a Yamaha, you might want to buy 1 right hand screw and 1 left hand screw. And that's all for today's mirror hole plug bolts introduction. Thanks for watching.